higher frequency, larger current. Power electronics technology keeps evolving. In SiC and GaN evaluation, fast, high-current waveform observation is essential. But with conventional current probes, drift caused by temperature change has long been a challenge. Stable under high-frequency, high-current conditions, and resistant to temperature change. Built for confidence in waveform observation, current probes CT6704 and CT6705. Resistant to temperature change. Redesigned sensing technology makes this possible. The new sensor adopts Fluxgate technology. With Hall effect detection, waveforms drift as the environmental temperature rises. Fluxgate suppresses the effects of temperature change and keeps the waveform stable. The lineup includes the CT6704, rated at 200 amps with 30 megahertz bandwidth, and the CT6705, rated at 500 amps with 15 megahertz bandwidth. Power electronics development supporting the future of mobility. Design of DC-DC converters and inverters. Validation of battery backup units for data centers, and more. An essential current probe for waveform observation in power electronics development. Built for current waveform confidence. Current probes CT6704 and CT6705.